Standard front struts for 914s and early 911 series cars have welded-on brackets to support the brake hardline. Threaded body coilover strut and coilover sleeve conversions require the removal of these brackets, leaving the brake lines unsupported and prone to failure, always at the worst possible time. Our support bracket kit is an easy bolt-on support for the brake lines. Unsupported, the hardline will constantly flex and eventually leak. Our purpose-made brackets are laser cut from stainless steel and are pre-formed. An easy bolt-on, these brackets attach to the brake dust shield mounting holes using the provided hardware. You can choose to retain the dust shield or remove them completely. Available for 65 through 89, 911, 912, 930, and 914s.